Welcome geometry students to class today on this Monday the 18th. Hope you guys are doing well. Hope you're ready to learn some math today. We always move quickly in here. We have a lot to do. Please get out your pens, pencils, calculators, notebooks, and textbooks, and let's have a really good class period today. I know it's a Monday and you're probably dragging a little bit, but we have a lot to do, and so please be ready to work hard. There will be a quiz on Wednesday. Would you please make note of that? You will have a quiz on Wednesday. Tomorrow I will be very specific as to what will be on the quiz. So tomorrow I will go over a little more in detail what will be on the quiz on Wednesday. You need to get your compasses and protractors in as soon as possible. Whenever we do start using those, I expect you to have them with you every day in class, okay? On Monday today, we're going to finish up lesson 1.2, and I'm going to explain later what that means. On Tuesday, we're going to look at lesson 1.3, and there will be homework. On Wednesday, we'll have a quiz, and we'll also look at lesson 1.4, and there'll be homework. On Thursday, there will not be a video at Fort Bluff. That was just, of course, a joke. I'm not going to do that to you. The reason I'm allowed to give you homework on Wednesday. Now, normally I'm not allowed to do that, but because there's no work, because there's no class on Thursday, your homework is not due until Friday, okay? So because the homework is not due until Friday, I will be allowed to give you a quiz or homework on Wednesday. So there will be homework on Wednesday, no class on Thursday. Enjoy your day off and enjoy your time up at Fort Bluff. On Friday, there will be a lesson 1.5, and there will be homework. Okay, so there's a quick glance at the week so you know what's going on. Okay, list of zeros. Now, look, I know that, and I know you're on the volleyball team, and what happened with you is you were not in class Friday to turn it in, but it's the homework assignment from lesson 1.1. So if you have that now, and Jordan, if you have yours, I really need you to turn those in, guys. Okay, there should not be any incompletes or any zeros the entire year, or I am going to make it a really good habit, excuse me, of getting in touch with your parents and making sure you're getting your homework turned in. Okay, so go ahead now and turn this homework assignment in from lesson 1.1. Turn that in now, please, if you would. If you were absent last Friday or whatever reason, I do need you to turn that in now. If you have any questions or if you can't turn it in today, please email me and let me know what's going on. Okay, that would be a big help to me, and I did not mean to do that. Okay, moving on. So contact me if you have any problem with getting your work turned in from lesson 1.1. Now, there's no homework to collect today because we did not have any homework over the weekend for you to do. And here's the class schedule for today. Now, this is going to be a little confusing, so please listen to me carefully. Those that were in class on Friday for 10 minutes were told to watch a video over the weekend. And I have checked my views on YouTube, and I think it's like one view. And I'm checking it pretty late Sunday night. So I'm not sure if any of you watched that video, and you really need to do what you're told to do when it comes to the videos. However, I am going to do this because I think a lot of you might have forgot. So here's what we're going to do today, okay? First of all, Mr. Hamill, hopefully you're there and you're listening. Mr. Hamill, if any of the students say that they did watch the video over the weekend, I would like you to check their notes, okay? Because if they don't have their notes with them showing they watched the video, then they need to watch the video again, okay? But if any of the students did watch the video over the weekend like they're supposed to, and they did take notes, then they get rewarded. They can go ahead and start their homework and get it done and have no homework over the night tonight, okay, for tonight. And so that's a big help to them, okay? The rest of the class is going to watch a video and then have homework to do tonight. So I hope that makes sense, okay? Let me go over it again. If you did watch the video, lesson 1.2 over the weekend, then show Mr. Hamill your notes, and you can go ahead and start the homework, which I will give you in just a second. But the rest of the class is going to watch the lesson 1.2 video and then work on your homework tonight, okay? Here's your homework, pretty short assignment, so not too difficult. About 5 or 6 problems, pretty simple. Page 11, numbers 11 through 15, all. I should type that in there because some of you have been doing the odds when you should be doing all. So 11 through 15, all, and 17 through 19, all. And the name of the video is Lesson 1.2 Homework. Lesson 1.2 Homework. And the video for today, the instructional video that some of you were supposed to watch over the weekend, is Lesson 1.2. So Mr. Hamill or whoever the supervising teacher is, go ahead and load up Lesson 1.2, have the students watch that, and then those that have already watched it can start working on their homework. And when the video is over, if there's time for the students to work on their homework, you can also watch the video, Lesson 1.2 Homework, okay? One more comment I need to make is that homework is graded by completion, not by accuracy. And what I mean by that is this. When you turn your homework assignment in, let's say there were 15 problems on the assignment. If you did all 15 problems, I give you a homework. I give you a 100, excuse me. I don't check to see if you did them correctly. It is your job to go to the back of the book and check the odds. And if you miss any of them, it's your job to watch the homework help video and find your mistake. It is also your job to check the even numbers on the homework help video, since the even numbers are not in the back of the book. So students, if you're not checking your homework, I mean, you could be doing an entire homework assignment wrong and then continue to do it wrong on a test or a quiz. And that doesn't make any sense. So please make sure you're doing make sure you're checking your homework. When I grade it, I do not check the answers. I just check to make sure you did all the problems, okay? You're big high schoolers. It's your job to check your answers and then watch, excuse me, the homework help video and get help on the problems you're struggling with, okay? All right, I hope this all makes sense. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to call or email. Not at all.